Hi guys, this is Taylor here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today I'm sitting on a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Starting in the back here, giant swim platform with a step down ladder. Easy walk through area here, both storage compartments. It does come with a 200 horsepower MerCruiser engine. Right here, does have a cooler and storage area, another cooler under this seat. Flip-flop seating here, so you can sit frontwards and face the front. Bolster seating here. Does come with a 5-inch Simrad, GPS, depth finder. All your engine information will be on there. Fusion speaker system. Does have a wakeboard tower. Big giant ski locker right here. Glove box, more storage area. Very wide seating up front with storage under both of them. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at MarineMax.com. Thank you.